Welcome back to the Corner Faster, Get Fast series. We're at Lime Rock Park in the Porsche Cayman GT4 car, and we're taking 50 laps in the iRacing simulator to get up to speed. In this video, we'll focus on laps 16, 17, and 18, shaping the corner to prioritize momentum and exits. Previously, we learned the layout, learned how to look ahead with purpose, use all the available track surface, drive at the limit of grip, and nail down our gear selection. Now we're ready to try to fill in a little bit more speed by shaping the corner between our ideal reference points while maintaining the car on the limit of grip. So what are we talking about in terms of shaping the trajectory? The path the car takes through each corner is a little bit different around the track. So for example, in Big Bend, we're going to take a very shallow arc to carry as much entry speed as possible, and then that arc is going to tighten up mid-corner and then finally sharpen just before we open up the wheel and apply throttle through the second apex. The shape to the left-hander is going to bring us smoothly into the transition, straighten for a brief period of time, and then carry us onto the back straightaway through the undulations. The shape of the uphill is going to be shallow at entry and then continue to sharpen post-apex to take advantage of the grip up the hill. The shape to West Bend is going to open slightly as the track drops away slightly. And the shape we take to the downhill is going to be a little sharp at turn in to take advantage of that extra grip and then open up through apex and exit. So when we take a look at that now through the blimp view, and we can take a look at specifically the apex angle to make sure we're carrying speed onto the straight. So the way that we're able to get on the power is by unwinding the steering wheel, and we can only unwind the steering wheel if the car is actually pointed up the track towards the exit. So making sure that the car is at the right position on the track and pointed up the track as we approach the exit, really approach the apex through the exit, is the critical part of the shape of the corner that we want to get just right. So accelerating out of Big Bend here. Now we're going to look for clean acceleration from turn in through exit of the right-hander. So making sure that we shape the corner so that we have just a little bit of straight period and then can turn in into the arc of the right-hander and accelerate all the way through it. For the uphill, we want to make sure that we're still turning slightly but on the power, tracking out early and then driving through that track out, taking advantage of the additional grip. There's almost no change in shape through West Bend. It's a very smooth arc the whole way through. And you can see the car sort of quickly turn in. It turns in actually a little bit or too early in this particular lap, but sort of a quick turn in and then a smooth opening shape through the rest of the corner. So it's these details as we shape the car through the ideal reference points, which is going to help us find additional pace throughout each corner that we can carry onto the straightaways if we have the right apex angle. Stick around for the next video where we learn how to get on the brake pedal.